Hi, this is Sherry with ATL Clinical Workshop, and I've got a tip for you today. One of the questions that I usually get is, well, Sherry, how many hours a week do I need to study? What type of schedule should I have? That's kind of a broad question that I can't answer. Only you really know the true answer to that. But what you can do is honestly, let's do some self-evaluating to figure out where you're at in this point with your studies. Number one, do you know truly and honestly what your weaknesses are? Because whatever you feel like you're weak at, I hit those head on first. Instead of doing the easy stuff that you're good at, focus on the ones that you really don't like. If you're like me, Murphy's Law, you're gonna get the things that you hate first. That's just the way it's gonna be. So honestly evaluate what your weaknesses are. Look at what your skill set is automatically. What do you do on a regular basis? What's your strong points? Look at your obstacles as far as, do I have to work a job full time Monday through Friday? Am I working like a paramedic schedule where I'm, one day on, 2 days off, because that's gonna vary. You have to allow for some sleep time, and you also have to allow for life, like children, husband, you have to allow for your personal time as well. You don't want to get burned out. So what you want to do is slow and steady wins the race. You don't want to wait and procrastinate and say, well, I don't have a date now. I'll wait for a couple of months. That's not good. What if you get a test date? Then you're behind the 8 ball. Slow and steady. Just start doing a little bit every day to progress yourself forward, and then pick up the pace as it gets closer to your date. But do not procrastinate and go ahead and start now. So for everybody, I wish I had that one amazing answer for you, but there is not one right answer for everybody. So you figure out what's best for you. Hey, if you need me, contact me at the workshop. Visit our website, see if our online workshop can help you as well. Or maybe you want to come see me in Atlanta. Just check out our website, www.atlclinicalworkshop.com.